Okay, I'm so excited to show you how fun and simple and delicious this recipe is. I'm so happy to say that these ingredients were all in my refrigerator. They're really simple: chicken breast, spinach, tomatoes, heavy whipping cream, and your basic seasonings. You probably have them all. The first thing that you do is basically brown or cook the chicken breast. What I would have done differently is cut those chicken breasts thinner, or I would have at least beat them with my meat tenderizer and marinated them so that they have their own flavors all by themselves. And that would just attribute to making the dish even more tasty. I think the last time I made this dish, I bought the chicken breast already marinated and seasoned from Publix. So in the skillet, you want to put some olive oil, minced garlic, and then you put your chicken breast over there, maybe about 8 to 10 minutes on each side, because you pretty much want to get them done, but not all the way done. So you want to keep them nice and moist. Cut up those tomatoes, throw them in the olive oil and the seasoning, put the spinach in, then add the heavy whipping cream. I'll put the full recipe in the description, but honey, I was so pleasantly pleased at how simple this was. All you're doing is cooking down the tomatoes and the spinach, throwing the heavy whipping cream in there, making your sauce, seasoning it, and tasting it along the way. Get you some real Parmesan oregano, honey, and grate it over, just tons of it. Grate it over, and it is just so delicious. Listen, I put it on top of spaghetti sauteed in olive oil and Italian seasonings. And when I tell you, this was just too delicious. And that real Parmigiano oregano grated on top was everything.